Hi, my name is Dawn, and this is my review of this farmhouse style corner breakfast nook. You can see that it is a white to off-white color with dark brown tops on both the benches and the table itself. So this is at a rental home that I'm visiting for the weekend in St. Augustine. It has been really nice to use, provides lots of space. You can see it has a bench on one side and then the corner bench on the other. This is reversible, so in assembly you can attach the larger end to either side and flip the arrangement. Another really nice feature is that there is storage beneath the benches. So if we lift up, you can see the homeowners, right, have some different table settings and such inside. Again, this has been lots of space for the family to use for meals. It's again nice kind of farmhouse, cottage house, country chic kind of look. The edges are a bit weathered, which also gives it, right, makes it match with the beachy vibe here at the rental home we're at in St. Augustine. So yeah, just a really nice piece of furniture. Yeah, highly recommend it.